Yes, good morning students. So I told you that in last class, I will take numerical problems on compound microscope so that conceptually it will be clear for you. Okay, I hope you remember the concept of that compound microscope and the formulas of that compound microscope, everything. Okay, yeah. Now I am going to take one question, and question I am taking from your material only. Okay, I am going to share that material. Okay, yes. Now I'll share screen. Yes, here is a material. Yeah. See, I hope you are able to see this question is here. Can you see question and board as well? Just give me one response. Whether you are seeing board and material both or not. Because question is important and I can't write the question on board. It will be time taking process. No. I am waiting for your response. Yes. Yes, sir. I mean, both. Can you see both the board and question? Yes, sir. Yeah. So there is a question. A compound microscope uses an objective lens of focal length 4 centimeter and eyepiece of focal length 10 centimeter. Object is placed at 6 centimeter from the objective lens. Calculate the magnifying power of a compound microscope. Also calculate the length of the microscope. Okay, I am going to calculate. See first, before that problem, just I will explain one few seconds. The problem. This is objective lens and this is eye lens. Okay, yes, they are placed coaxially like this. Let us imagine here object is placed AB and it will form its image somewhere else here like this. Here, A dash, B dash, image will form. And this image, it can be formed at infinity or it can be formed at least distance of distinct vision. Clear? Yes. Now let us imagine that image has formed at this distance of distinct vision like this. Here image has formed A double dash, B double dash. This is U naught, object distance. This is V naught, image distance for this lens. Okay? And this is UE, in object distance for eyepiece. And this is VE, capital D, this distance of distinct vision. Image for the lens. Okay? Now, total magnification formula is V naught by U naught into 1 plus D by FE. This is the formula. Okay? Total magnification formula. And when the object is placed very close to the focus, F naught, then it will become here minus sign will be there. Minus sign indicates it is real and inverted image. And then in that case, magnification formula will become minus L by F naught into 1 plus D by FE. This you should remember, these two formulas. This is the condition when the object is placed very close to the focus, then you will get this formula. Clear? Okay, sir. Next, what is this length? Length is nothing but length of this compound microscope. From here to here, total length of the compound microscope. It is also called as what to say? V naught plus UE. This is the total length. U naught plus UE. V naught plus UE is called as total length of the compound microscope. Okay? And this is the formula when image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. When image forms at infinity, the magnification formula will become minus V naught by U naught into D by FE. This value will be less. And one more formula is there, that is M naught into LE. These are formulas you must remember these are. Okay? Now I am entering into the topic, that is the question. So what is the question? Question is, they have given few values. Okay, what are the values they are given? A compound microscope uses objective lens of focal length 4 centimeters. And here I am writing objective lens. This focal length is 4 centimeter F naught. Okay. Next, what they are saying? At eyepiece lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Okay. Eyepiece having 10 centimeter. This is eyepiece. FE, that is 10 centimeter. Next what they said? An object is placed at 6 centimeter from the objective lens. Yes. This is objective lens. This is eyepiece. Yes. Here object is placed. AB object is placed at a distance of u0 is equal to 6 centimeter from the objective lens. They have said. Okay, good. Next. Calculate the magnifying power of a compound microscope. Compound microscope magnifying power, how much you need to find. Okay. And also calculate length of the microscope. Length of the microscope also you calculate. They are saying. Okay, sir. No problem. We can calculate. Now, two cases are there. When image forms at the least distance of distinct vision and image forms at the infinity also. Let us find for least distance of distinct vision. Okay? Yeah. Now, let us imagine somewhere here it will form its image like this. It will form its image like this. A dash, B dash, image. This value what we call it? This value we call it as V0. No? Yes. First let us find this V0. Because magnification formula for us is minus V0 by U0 into 1 plus D by FE. Now, we know FE. It is given. We know D, 25 centimeter. We know U0. It is given 6 centimeter. We should find V0. Okay, we should find V0. Okay, let us find. We know that lens meter formula. Into this, 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. This is the formula here. And for objective lens, I am taking so F0, F0. 1 by V0 minus 1 by U0 is equal to 1 by F0. Okay. 1 by V0. This is V0 we need to find. Okay, minus 1 by U0. Because U0 is incident rays are going like this and object is this side. We should measure away from the opposite direction to the incident rays. So this should be taken as negative. So minus is equal to 1 by focal length. This length focal length will be this side. How much it is 4 centimeters. So plus 4. When these are 2 centimeter, these are 2 centimeter, no problem. We can take like this. Okay. So you get 1 by V0 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 4. Clear? Okay, na? Yes. Now it will become 1 by V0 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Plus 1 by 6 going to the other side, it will become minus 1 by 6. So 1 by V0 will become LCM. Just multiply 6 4 24. 6 minus 4. Do this. Don't take LCM. You will subtract again by yourself. Okay? Yeah. So 1 by V0 will become 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 by 24 means 1 by 12. Then what is V0? V0 will be 12. In what unit? In centimeter. Because this is in centimeter, this is also in centimeter. So your image distance for the objective lens will be in centimeter. How much? 12 centimeter. Means from this lens 12 centimeter it will form. Okay, good. No problem. Now what we need to find? We need to find magnification. Let us find that magnification. Formula is this. Okay, minus. What is V0? V0 is this side. According to Sunny, V0 is this side. How much is 12? Substitute 12 centimeter. 12 upon U0 how much? U0 is 6 centimeters. Right, 6 centimeters into 1 plus D. How much? 25 centimeters upon focal length of eyepiece is 10 centimeter. Yes. So it will become negative sign indicates what? Image will be real and inverted image. Okay? So that's it. 6 1 6 2 minus 2 into 2.5 is means 3.5. Correct? 25 by 10 is 2.5. 2.5 plus 1 is 3.5. Okay? So magnification will become how much? 3.5 to 7. And 7 that to minus 7. Means 7 times magnified. Let us imagine this AB is H. Image will be 7 times of H it will be. Okay? This is what we are getting. Yes, see here 7 we have got the answer. Okay? Now what we need to find? Next point we need to find length of the microscope also. Okay. Length of the microscope means from here to here. From here to here. This length we know. This we need to find. This we need to find now. What is this? This is object distance for eyepiece. This is what na? Object distance for eyepiece. This if you find, add these two, you will get this length of the microscope. Okay, our aim is to find UV now. I am going to have this. No need this. Okay, and our aim is to find UE. Okay, I need to find UE. Okay, UE is equal to question mark. So what is FE nana? FE is given as 10 centimeter. Okay, and what is VE nana? VE, where image has to form at least distance of distinct vision. That is 25 centimeters. You know already. That is capital D. Okay, now apply lens formula. 1 by D minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. And I am talking for eyepiece, so I am writing E suffix. Okay? Yes. Now 1 by BE. So see here, according to sign convention, you should do everything. See, rays are going like this, and they will form the image somewhere else here. Okay? And we should measure from here like this. Means from optics center C dash, we should measure in the direction opposite to incident rays. Means we should write them as negative. Means image distance should be negative. Yes. 1 by B how much? B is minus 25. Why minus? I think you are understanding. You should apply sign conventions. You understand? Because for this line, object is here, and incident rays are going like this, and we should measure image definitely will form this side only. We should measure like this. So we should write it as U, minus 1 by UE, because which quantity you need to find, for that don't apply any sign convention. Okay? That's not applied any sign convention. This minus is according to the formula is equal to 1 by FE. FE for this line, focal length will be this side, not this side. Okay? So we should measure in this direction, means in the direction of incident rays. So it should be positive. How much? 10. Yes, 10. So what will happen? Minus UV center set, it will become plus 1 by UV is equal to minus 1 by 25 is here only, minus 1 by 10 will become this here. Okay. So 1 by UV will become what, sir? Yes. So what to again multiply? 250. Don't take LCM. Why unnecessary mistakes you will do? Okay. Now cross multiply. Minus 10 minus 25. Yes. 1 by UV is equal to minus 35 upon 250. Yes. So what is UV? UV is equal to 250 upon 35 with negative sign. Okay. Now what to do? Cancel it. With what it will get cancelled? That you cancel. Okay? Yes. So it will become. I'll take calculator. I can do, but I don't want to waste time. So 250 divided by 35. 7.14 centimeter. Okay. This minus sign indicates what, sir? Minus sign indicates object is this side. That is the mean. Okay? Yeah. Now I want length of the tube, length of this transform microscope. I want. That is how much? V naught plus this. What is that? V naught plus modulus of UE. Why modulus of UE? If you write here UE means you will get minus 7.4. Means you will subtract it. No, we should add them these two. Just numbers we should add. This negative sign indicates the meaning of negative sign is image object for this lens is this side. That is the meaning. That's it. Okay? Yeah. So length of the compound microscope will become V naught. What is V naught? Just now we have calculated. How much? 12 centimeter plus 7.14 centimeter. 7.14 centimeter. How much it is? It is 19.14 centimeter. Yes, finished. Everything is finished. Clear? Got it, Nana? This is how we need to calculate the problems. Okay, now? Yes. Now questions are not there. Now I am going to stop this sharing. I'll come back to board. Okay. Yes. So understood now everything? Everything understood now? Okay, sir, this problem will this like this I have solved. Okay, let us imagine image is not formed at least distance of distinction. Image has formed at infinity. Then what will happen? Simple. Let us see that point also. When image forms at infinity, magnification formula is V naught by U naught into D by F. D by F. Okay? V naught already calculated. D you know, F you know, substitute that answer. Means 12 by 6 into 25 by 10. 2.5 means 5 units. Magnification will be 5. There 7, here 5. It will become. Okay. Next, what about length of the tube? Length of the tube is this V0 is V0 only. Whereas this will become Fe because image has to form at means this image of this is acting like an object for this. It should lie at the focus of this lens. Means this lens not usually focal length. Means how much it is? V0 is 12 plus 10. 22 centimeter it will become. Orally we can give the answer. Okay na? Clear? Yes. Now I am going to take another question. Conceptually another question I will take. So that everything will be clear for you on this topic. Then later on I will go to compound my telescope also. Okay. First I am going to take a question. Question here I am taking from a book. So a compound microscope has a magnification of 30. They are saying that a compound microscope is having a total magnification. Angular magnification of a compound microscope is 30. They are saying. Okay. I have written. Now what they are saying? The focal length of its eyepiece is 5 centimeter. Focal length of the eyepiece is 5 centimeter. They said. Okay. I have written. Okay. Next, assuming the final image to be formed at a distance of distinct vision. So if final image is forms at capital D means this distance of distinct vision. If this has happened, the question is calculate the magnification produced by objective lens. Calculate the magnification produced by objective lens. Means MO into ME. I have to know total magnification is magnification into objective lens into magnification into eyepiece. I have to know like this. This is they are calculating. This they are asking. Okay? A simple question. See, when image question is what done? If the final image is formed at a distinct vision, magnification formula is MO into ME. MO is 1 plus D by FE. Yes. When image forms at a distance of distinct vision, magnification into eyepiece will be this much. This you know fixed value. This they have given. This also they have given. Can you find M naught? Yes, easy. What is M 30? Is equal to M naught into 1 plus 25. The fee is 5. So 30 is equal to M naught into how much? 6. Correct? 5 on the 5 plus 1 6. So M naught will be 5. If you want it to sign, yes, the formula is minus. Minus indicates it is inverted image. Due to objective, if object is here, image will be like this. You have to remember that concept. Simple. Clear? Got it? Yes. I'll take next question. Conceptually, I am going to explain. These questions are, this type of questions are, you got in yesterday we have written exam. You have written exam, no? In that same this type of concepts only you got. So that question will be clarified for you. Okay. Now, what I am taking is, see the focal length of the objective lens and eyepiece lens of a compound microscope given. Okay. Compound microscope they are asking focal length of objective and focal length of eyepiece are given. How much focal length of the objective lens and eyepiece are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay. 4 centimeter and 6 centimeters. That. Okay, sir. No problem. If the object is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter from the object. If the object is placed 6 centimeter from the objective, what is the magnification produced by the microscope? What is the magnification produced by the microscope? Formula. Magnification produced by the microscope is minus V naught by U naught into 1 plus b by fe. An image function is distance of distinct vision. Fe is known, d is known, u naught is known, v naught is unknown. We need to find formula is 1 by v naught minus 1 by u naught is equal to 1 by f naught. 1 by v naught we need to calculate minus 1 by u naught is 6 centimeter. You write 6. You get the wrong answer because see the diagram. This is objective and this is the eyepiece. And object will be here. Incident rays are going like this. You should measure from object center like this. Means opposite direction to incident rays. Means minus sign we should use. This is the main thing you need to do. Then you will get the right answer. If you not write negative here, then you will get wrong answer. That is the point. Okay? Clear? Yeah. Is equal to 1 by f naught. F naught how much given? 4 centimeter. Let's write 4. No negative because focus for this lens will be this side. And we should measure in the direction of incident rays. So we should take it as positive. Yes. So 1 by v naught plus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by v naught is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. It will be equal to 6 4 by 24. Correct? Yes. 6 minus 4 is 1 by 12. So v naught is equal to 12 centimeter. Yes, we have got this answer. Here right minus 12 upon v naught is on 6 into 1 plus 25 by f is 6. You get the answer. 6 1 ja 6 2 ja 6 1 ja 6 4 ja 24. 1 will be 0.10. 6 1 ja 6. 4 will be 6 is the 4.16 plus 1 5.16 into 2. You get the answer. 4.16 in plus 1 5.16 into 2. So total answer will be 10.33. Negative sign indicates it is real and inverted image in form. Okay, clear? Yeah, this is how we need to calculate the problems. Okay, next I'll take another type of question also. I hope you are understanding. Are you understanding, students? Your understanding is very important. Yeah, Supreet is asking that our midterm exam is conducted as subjective or objective. Midterm exam will be conducted as a subjective exam only. Objective from now onwards. Yesterday how I have sent the question paper, same as it is. Chapter wise I'll send question papers. I'll inform you before 2 days only in which chapter I am going to conduct exam, and I will send you the question paper. And one more thing, very important point, see, use this time very properly. Some students without their name they are submitting answer, and out of 56 students, 36 students only they have responded. What about remaining students? What they are doing? Just inform them. Okay? Next question I will take. Why to waste time? Everything clear now? Yeah, I am taking next question. See, this question is somewhat different. It is there. See this question. Question is a focal length of objective and eyepiece of compound microscope are. Yes. Focal length of objective and eyepiece of a compound microscope are 1.25 centimeter, 1.25 centimeter, and 5 centimeters diameter. Okay. Now, find the position of the object related to the objective in order to obtain a angular magnification of 30 in normal adjustment. You need to find position of the object with respect to objective. Means here objective lens, here eyepiece is there. Here object is there, na? Position of the object with respect to objective. Means this is not with respect to eyepiece. With respect to objective, that's it. Means you need u naught. You need to find. They are asking find the position of the object with respect to objective. With respect to object means from the object. What is the distance of object? With respect to eyepiece means from eyepiece. What is the distance of eyepiece? But they are asking in question that find the position of the object with respect to objective. Means from here we need to find. That is u naught you need to find. Okay, when what is the condition? Condition is to get magnification of how much? 30. That too in normal adjustment they are saying. This magnification two times you will get. One time when image forms at a least distance of distinct vision. Second time image forms at infinity also. In question they are saying that image is forming at infinity. Magnification is 30. And that condition, what is not there. They are not saying that when image forms at infinity, they are saying that in normal adjustment condition. Normal adjustment means relaxed eye, means when image forms at infinity. That is a normal adjustment. Okay? At this situation, what is U0? This is the question. Okay? So I'll keep this diagram as it is. Okay. First, I'll write what is M infinity. M infinity is nothing but V0 by U0 minus into d by f. Correct? Yes, this is the formula. When image forms at least distance of distinct vision, it will become 1 plus d by f. That's it. Okay? Yeah. Okay, sir. Everything is clear. D value known, fe value given, this value given. These two values we find. Here? Yes. That is fine. M not how much? 30 is equal to negative sign will use. Negative sign indicates it is inverted image. That is it. Okay? V0 by U0 into D 25 by FE 5. 5 ones are 5 6 are 6 ones are 6 5 are. Means V0 by U0 is equal to 5. Okay, this is one relation. You remember. You remember this relation. What we need to find? We need to find U0. Okay. For this, apply Lenz's formula because we know F0. What is that? 1 by V0 minus 1 by U0 is equal to 1 by F0. Correct? Yes. What is V0 from this? V0 is equal to 5 times of V0. Correct? Yes. Substitute. 1 by 5 times of U0. Got it? Minus 1 by U. How much? Here U0 unknown. Right U0. But according to sign, this is incident rays going. We should measure like this. Means negative sign. However, image will form this side. So positive only, no problem. Are you understanding? Definitely image will form this side only, no? Means we should measure like this in the direction of incident rays. So it will be positive only, no problem. Whereas we should measure in opposite direction to incident rays. So we need to take it as negative. Got it? Yes. Is equal to 1 by f focal length 1.25. 1.25. Positive or negative? Focal length for this is this side. In the direction of incident rays, we should measure. So positive. Yes. So it will become 1 by 5 U0 minus of minus plus U0 is equal to 1 by 1.25 125. Okay? 100 by 125. It will be easy for us to calculate. Now what to do? You need to do mathematical calculations. What is LCM? LCM is, will you take LCM or will you multiply? Your wish, whatever you want, you do. I am going with the method of multiplying only because I feel it is easy for me. Okay? So 5 U0 into U0 is 5 U0 square. This into this multiply and then cross multiply them. 1 into U0 is U0 plus 5 into U0 is 5 U0 is equal to 100 by 125, right? As it is 100 by 125. Okay. Now what will happen? 6 U0 upon 5 U0 square is equal to 100 by 125. This U0, 1 U0 cancel. Okay? We get 6 by 5 U0 is equal to 100 by 125. U0 side that side. It will become 6 by 5 into 125 by 100. Correct? Yes. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. Yes, 5 25s are 125. 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. U naught value is 6 by 4. Means how much? 1.5. What is the unit? Centimeter. Why centimeter? Because these are the centimeters. Definitely it will be centimeters. So U naught value will be centimeters. Got it? See how we need to find question answer this. How I am getting this answer? What is the procedure I am following? Just once you will get the concept of this, definitely you will get the answer. Go with according to the concept. For your explanation, I am doing this much big. No shortcut, no shortcut. Yes, we should do calculation. If we do, if you are a bit fast in calculation, it will become within minute. We can solve this. Only the thing is, you should have the concept. You should get a clear idea on the concept. Got it? Clear? Understood? Okay. No response. Any doubt? Yeah. Vivek. Next. Still, so many questions are there here. If you want, I can take that questions. Otherwise, I'll go for a next concept. Yes, 7 minutes is there. I'll start one more question. So that still more any doubts are there, we'll see if we will clarify. Next class, I'll discuss telescope. How we can construct a telescope. What is the magnification we will get in telescope? These are things we will discuss in next class. Today, let us continue the problem, okay? Because time is only 7 minutes is there. Okay. Question is, the focal length of the eyepiece and object of a compound microscope. Again, focal length of eyepiece first. And objective of a compound microscope are given 5 cm and 1 cm given. Okay. Focal length of eyepiece and objective of a compound microscope are 5 cm and 1 cm respectively. And length of the tube they have given. Yes, see, this is different. Length of the tube is 20 cm given. Length of the tube is nothing but distance between objective lens and eye lens. That you have to remember. Okay, I will draw the diagram also. Calculate the magnifying power of a microscope when final image forms at infinity. Magnifying power of a microscope we need to find when final image forms at infinity. This is your question. Okay, next. The value of least distance is, the value of least distance of distinct vision is 25 centimeter. Okay, value of least distance of distinct vision is given as 25 centimeter given. Okay. Now from this data we need to find magnification when image forms at infinity. What is the formula for magnification when image forms at infinity? It is V naught by U naught into D by F. Yes. This is the reason why they have given D. Fe value you know. V naught U naught values you don't know. But they are given 20 centimeter length of the tube they are given. Okay. So from this length of the tube, how can we find the value? Okay. Now see, diagram I drawn. From the diagram only you will understand. This is objective lens and this is eyepiece. Okay? Yes. Here object is the AB and it will form its image here. Okay. A dash, B dash, image will form. Question 1. Image has to form at infinity. Image, it has to form at infinity. Image should form at infinity. For this. Means, what is this distance? Fe. Correct? Are you understanding? If this object image is to be at infinity, means this object should be at a distance of focal length and the focus of this eyepiece. Then only image will form at infinity. Yes. And what is this distance, Anna? This distance is V naught U. Correct? And this distance will be U naught U. You don't know this value and this value. You know this value. You know this value also. Focal length of this also you know. If you know any one of these two, you can find other. But you don't know these two. Now what to do? But for that, they have given length of the tube. This is length of the tube. Given 20 centimeter. From this length, can you find this? Yes, easily. Because V naught plus Fe will be F. Why Fe? Because image is forming at infinity. If image forms at this distance of distinct vision, this length will become V naught plus UE. But because image is forming at infinity, this object is lying at the focus of this eyepiece. Means this distance will be Fe. Means total length of the highlight. Total length of the tube will be nothing but V naught plus Fe. Okay. This value. What is this? 20 centimeter. V naught unknown plus Fe 5 centimeter. So V naught will be 20 minus 5, 15 centimeter. Yes, I got the V naught value. I know V naught. I know F naught. Can you find U naught? Yes, definitely. Why not? Yes. See, formula is 1 by V naught minus 1 by U naught is equal to 1 by F naught. 1 by V naught value 15 centimeter. See, instead rays are going like this, and image is forming this side. Means positive only. Yes, positive. How much? 15 minus 1 by U naught. Don't apply sign convention which you want to find. This I want to find. I don't want to apply. I should not apply any sign convention. Okay? If I apply sign convention, it will become plus. No, don't do that. Upon 1 by F naught. F naught is 1 centimeter. 1 by 1. 1 centimeter only given, no? Yes, 1 centimeter. Yes. So it will become what? 1 by 1 is 1. No. 1 by 15 minus 1 by U naught is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by U naught is value of 1 by 15 minus 1. Correct? Yes. So it will become 1 by U naught is equal to 15 is a LCM. 1 minus 15 means 1 by U naught is equal to minus 14 by 15. Then U naught equal to what? 15 by 14 negative sign in centimeter. This negative sign indicates what? Negative sign indicates U is this side, object is this side, image is this side, positive. U is negative means object is this side. Yes, we have got. So now I know U naught, I know V naught, I know E, I know Fe. Can you find? Yes. Formula is V naught. How much? V naught is 15. Yes, 15 upon U naught. U naught how much? 15 by 14. Yes, I am writing. 15 by 14 into B 25 upon Fe is 5. What we are doing? 15 1 cancel. 14 will go numerator. 14 into 5 1 5 5. 14 5 how much? I don't know. 5 4 22, 5 1 5 plus 1 70. 70 times it will be magnified. 70 times it will be magnified. If you want, negative also, negative sign also it will be. Negative sign this image will be inverted image. Got it? How we have to solve the problem? I hope you understand now. Any doubt? Any doubt? So how I am proceeding? See, one by one we have to get. Only the thing is, just by reading a question, draw the diagram.